doing a unboxing and review of the 2019 Fall FabFitFun box. Now, FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription, which means you get a box 4 times a year. The box itself is $49.99. However, you get at least 8 to 10 full-size products, and the box itself is guaranteed to be worth over $200. So you're definitely getting what you paid. I definitely recommend this box for anyone who's on a strict budget. So if you don't want to splurge on a subscription box or on anything on yourself every month, this is something that you can set a little bit aside for each month, and it's completely worth it. I also love FabFitFun because it covers many different things, not just makeup and skincare, but also fitness and lifestyle and organization and home decor. It's completely amazing. When you become an actual member, so when you subscribe to the actual box, you actually get a perk where you're able to customize a few of the items in your box, which is absolutely amazing. So if you prefer those skincare products, you can definitely opt into those and choose what you want. So who wouldn't want that? So let's go ahead. Here's my handy dandy keys, and let's get this baby started. So as soon as you open it, this is what it looks inside. So pretty, especially with Meghan Trainor right in the very front. You have your FabFitFun magazine. Inside the magazine, it'll actually go over all the products, go into detail how to use them, the creators of the product, fun, interesting information about it, as well as I believe there's a crossword and horoscope. Like, it's literally their own personal magazine. And it has Meghan Trainor. Who doesn't love some, you know, Meghan Trainor? She's all about that bass. But anyway, so also, like I said, it tells you everything that was available for the actual box. And then it actually goes through and lets you know how much each item costs. So you know exactly what you're getting. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this right next to me so we can keep track with what I got in my box. My pretty little items. So excited. I love this box. It makes me so happy. So the first item I see is from Humankind Skincare with a Conscience Body Souffle. This was worth $18. It says lather yourself in a souffle blend of apricot oil and shea butter. Yummy. Okay, so it smells really fresh. You definitely smell that apricot. It's very light. I love lotions and body products, but when they're so strong and they come off just so overpowering, especially when you use it all over your body, you know, it's a little too much. But something like this you can definitely use all over the place or wherever you want, and it'll be perfect. The next item is from Wander Beauty. It is 6 pairs of Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, which I've just started using, and I think they completely work. See your little 6 packages in there. This is worth $25, and these, oopsie, let's just pause it. And we're back. I had everything fall on the table. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so Wander Beauty eye masks, they are worth $25, and the eye masks feature hyaluronic acid, aloe leaf extract, and lavender oil to deeply hydrate the skin and offer a cooling effect. So that is so much fun. Can't wait to use those. The next item I have in my box is from Skinvolve. It's a body boost gel, a gel stimulant. It has menthol and green tea, and it's supposed to help tone, firm, and smooth. These are like the nifty little gels that you put on before you work out, or you put those, you know, the things that suck you in, that you close, and supposed to help you lose weight and tone up. Who wouldn't love that? That is worth $45. So this by itself is pretty much your entire box, what you paid for. So that's completely crazy and completely amazing. So $45, can't wait to try it. Next, I have the Aveda Damage Remedy, caught it, Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, Instant Visible Repair to protect from heat and styling. Absolutely love it. I'm growing out my hair right now, so every kind of hair product I kind of just throw in a drawer, and as soon as one's over I start another one until I find one I love. So I can't wait to add that one to the mix. This one is worth $30, and it's infused with quinoa protein, macadamia oil, and soy to instantly repair and protect your hair up to 450 degrees. Crazy. Can't wait. Next item. Oh my god, I'm about to drop everything again. Okay. Ooh, this is a big. I think this is one of the things I customized. These are from Nasif MD Detox Pads for Complexion Perfecting Pads. And there's 60 in there. That thing is huge. It's like half my face. That is completely wonderful. This is one that I did customize. So I did choose this one in my box. And don't know how much it is. Oh, there it is. It's $42 plus. So I don't know what the plus signs. I'm guessing it's $42 plus tax and all that stuff. It says, oh, I'm stupid. $42 is a mystery item. Okay, this is actually $45. It says just with a few swipes of the cleaning pad, it deep cleans, exfoliates, and firms your skin's appearance while softening lines and wrinkles. Yes. Yes, girl, yes. Totally excited to try that. We'll definitely let you know how it goes. I know my mom is watching and she's like tallying what she, is gonna want me to share. This is cute and little. It's from Cosmetics. It says it's pure C. It's pure vitamin C mixing crystals. Okay, this is one that I did choose myself because I thought it was so completely interesting. This is worth $54. This itty bitty thing is $54. It's more than this box. It says nothing brightens your skin like vitamin C. Add a dose of 100% pure absorbic acid to your nighttime serum or moisturizer. So I'm guessing you're supposed to put like your moisturizer in your hand or on your face. Put it on, sprinkle it like salt. Vitamin C right there and on your face. Can't wait to try that. Okay. I can smell these as soon as I open the box, so I'm so excited. This is from Harper and Art. Exfoliating sugar cubes. Juice, and it's called from Juice Cleanse. They look like food. I don't think they're food. Sounds like they're scrubby scrubs. These are delightful sugar cubes to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower and leaving a yummy scent. And these are $16. It smells like melon. Like, oh my god. Okay. The ring things that you buy at the gas station that are sugary and gummy-ish and so tasty. This is what they smell like those peach rings, melon. Oh, okay. That is so tasty and deliciously smelling. Ooh, and they're squishy. Okay, so I'm guessing you're supposed to take one, put it in your hand, take it in the shower with you, exfoliate everywhere. That is such a nifty idea. What happened? The power just went away. Let's pause again, guys. Oh my god, I'm sorry. And we're back. A second time. First the box drops and then I have a power outage. So what else could come? It's always exciting with Clarissa. Anyway, the little sugar cubes, scrubbers, smell so delicious. Do not eat them, even though you want to. Do not eat them. Can't wait to try. And it looks like, this is not, think this is my last item. See all my fuzzy little crinkly things? It's in its own little package. Ooh, okay. This is from Grown Alchemist. I have used their brand before. I've used their actual body lotion. It was like a citrusy, orangey body lotion, and I loved it. This is from Grown Alchemist Biological Beauty Detox Night Cream with Peptide 3, Echinacea, Reishi Extract, and a whole bunch of fancy words. Let's open that up and see how much this is. Where is it? Where is it? I am just a mess today, guys. I am so sorry. It's not on here. Oh, okay. So on one of the customizations, I didn't really like it. It was like you can choose between a wallet or a purse, or you know, and I didn't really need a wallet or a purse, but you were able to choose a mystery item. You're guaranteed that the mystery item was worth more than $55, I believe, and it could be anything. So this was my mystery item. I am so excited because I love this brand. And okay, that's cute. I like the little packaging. And it's a night serum. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's not open, but so excited. Now guys, that was my 2019 FabFitFun box. Thank you for sticking through it. I know, crazy mess here, but I, all in all, love this box. I got skincare, the body gel thing, the hair care, the pure vitamin C, which I have never heard of anything like that before, which is so interesting. The detox pads and the eye masks. I mean, this box was basically made for me. So I absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys thought. Did you guys have a favorite item? Is there another box you want me to try? We will be getting another box in winter. That is the next season. So I can't wait to see what they have in store with us on that box. I hope everyone has a good night because I feel like it's storming outside and it's about to go, power's about to flicker off again. So everybody have a great night. See you guys next time.